Welcome back to the channel. The 2026 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade marks a thrilling new chapter in the legacy of one of the most iconic sport bikes ever produced. Since its debut in the early 1990s, the Fireblade series has been synonymous with precision engineering, razor-sharp handling, and a perfect balance between raw power and rider control. For decades, Honda has consistently pushed the boundaries of what a leader-class sport bike can be, and the latest iteration is no exception. As the motorcycle world eagerly anticipates this model, the 2026 CBR 900 Fireblade promises to blend cutting-edge technology with a refined, aggressive design philosophy that honors its rich heritage while looking boldly into the future. At the heart of the 2026 Fireblade is a newly developed 899 cubic centimeters inline four-cylinder engine, meticulously engineered to deliver a dynamic balance of power and smoothness. Honda has focused on refining the combustion process, optimizing the intake and exhaust systems to extract every bit of performance while meeting stringent emissions standards. The result is a powertrain that offers a surge of adrenaline-inducing acceleration, paired with a linear throttle response that makes the bike incredibly tractable at low speeds and explosive when pushed hard on the open road or track. Despite its leader-class displacement, the engine feels lightweight and rev-happy, a true hallmark of Honda's engineering ethos. What sets this new Fireblade apart from its predecessors is its innovative approach to electronics and rider aids. Equipped with an advanced suite of customizable riding modes, the bike adapts effortlessly to different conditions, whether you're carving tight mountain corners, cruising the highway, or ripping laps on a racetrack. The traction control system is now more intuitive, integrating lean angle sensors and will slip data to provide a seamless safety net without intruding on the riding experience. Coupled with an updated ABS system and cornering-aware stability control, the 2026 Fireblade is as confident and capable as any rider could hope for. Honda has also placed a strong emphasis on chassis dynamics. The frame and swing arm have been re-engineered from the ground up using a mix of lightweight aluminum alloys and high-strength steel, delivering a remarkable combination of rigidity and compliance. The bike's geometry has been tweaked for enhanced agility, with a slightly shorter wheelbase and refined rake and trail measurements that improve turn-in responsiveness without sacrificing stability at high speeds. The suspension system features fully adjustable Showa components, allowing riders to tailor the setup for street or track use with ease. Whether attacking tight corners or absorbing bumps on rough pavement, the Fireblade remains composed and confident. Braking performance has seen a substantial upgrade as well. The 2026 model features larger dual front discs with radially mounted Brembo calipers, delivering powerful, progressive stopping power. The rear brake is no slouch either, offering precise modulation for those moments when subtle control is crucial. This braking package gives riders the confidence to push the limits, knowing that the bike can handle rapid deceleration as effectively as it handles acceleration. In terms of design, the 2026 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade showcases a bold yet purposeful aesthetic. The bike's fairings are sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, reducing drag and improving high-speed stability. Sharp lines and aggressive angles give it a futuristic look, while subtle nods to classic Fireblade styling remind fans of the model's storied past. The compact LED headlight assembly and integrated daytime running lights not only enhance visibility but also contribute to the bike's aggressive front fascia. Meanwhile, the tail section is slim and high, emphasizing the bike's sporty silhouette and contributing to a lightweight feel. Ergonomics have been carefully considered, with a rider-focused cockpit that balances comfort and control. The handlebars are positioned for an aggressive riding stance without compromising long ride comfort, while the seat offers ample padding and a shape that keeps the rider firmly planted during hard acceleration or braking. The foot pegs are adjustable, catering to a variety of rider sizes and preferences. The instrument cluster is a full-color TFT display, providing clear, customizable readouts including gear position, lap timer, fuel consumption, and smartphone connectivity for navigation and music. One of the standout features of the 2026 Fireblade is its integration of smart technology. Honda has incorporated Bluetooth connectivity paired with a dedicated app, allowing riders to monitor bike diagnostics, adjust riding modes, and track maintenance schedules remotely. The bike also supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring that electronic systems remain current and optimized throughout the ownership experience. For riders who demand a tailored experience, this level of connectivity is a game-changer, blending performance with convenience. Honda has not overlooked the importance of weight reduction in this new Fireblade. Through extensive use of carbon fiber components, titanium fasteners, and a meticulously engineered lightweight exhaust system, the bike's dry weight comes in impressively low for its class. This weight advantage translates into nimble handling, quicker acceleration, and improved fuel efficiency, benefits that every sport bike enthusiast will appreciate. The exhaust note itself is a masterpiece of engineering, offering a deep, throaty growl that excites the senses without overwhelming the rider or bystanders. Safety and rider confidence are also paramount in the 2026 CBR 900 Fireblade. Beyond the advanced electronics, the bike incorporates an aerodynamic winglet design inspired by MotoGP technology. These winglets generate downforce at high speeds, improving front-end stability and enhancing cornering confidence. Additionally, the Fireblade is equipped with tire pressure monitoring and an advanced hill start assist system, features that make everyday riding more secure and enjoyable. When it comes to customization and personalization, Honda offers a range of factory accessories designed to enhance both aesthetics and performance. From adjustable rear sets and quick shifters to carbon fiber body panels and performance exhaust options, riders can tailor their Fireblade to suit their riding style and visual preferences. The availability of various color schemes, including classic Fireblade red and black, matte metallic finishes, and a limited edition racing livery, means there's a Fireblade to match every rider's personality. Fuel efficiency and environmental responsibility have not been ignored either. Despite its performance focus, the 2026 Fireblade employs advanced fuel injection and combustion technologies to minimize emissions and optimize mileage. Honda's commitment to sustainability is evident in the bike's engineering, ensuring that riders can enjoy spirited rides while being mindful of their ecological impact. The 2026 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of intent from Honda, signaling their dedication to innovation, performance, and rider experience. It combines decades of racing heritage with the latest advancements in technology and materials science, resulting in a sport bike that feels fresh yet familiar. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for a capable track weapon or someone who wants a thrilling yet manageable bike for weekend rides, the Fireblade promises to deliver excitement and confidence in equal measure. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade is poised to set a new benchmark in the sport bike category. It blends a potent, responsive engine with state-of-the-art electronics, a finely tuned chassis, and aggressive styling that commands attention. Its thoughtful design touches, from rider ergonomics to smart connectivity features, make it a well-rounded machine that respects its past while embracing the future. For anyone passionate about sport bikes, the Fireblade represents the perfect fusion of technology, performance, and legacy. A bike that invites you to push limits and enjoy the ride like never before.